day of pit bike racing is beginning. Track is looking premium. I'm gonna do a little bike modifications. There he is. Gonna weld some foot pegs. Gonna make things look good. Look at this track, huh? We got just enough of water to make a big difference. This thing's looking premium. So that was one lap of the pit bike track. We had a blast yesterday. The conditions were perfect. Everything dried out really, really well. It was a little slick first thing in the morning. We had some casualties. I think Jesse's bike kind of went down. Durbin's bike wasn't. Neither of them were running great by the end of the day. I blew second gear out of my Chinese motor. Todd's carb, more issues. But all in all, awesome day of ripping it up on the pit bike track. Stay tuned for more pit bikes and motorcycles in general.